You're doing the most.
Hello friends, it is with a heavy heart that I look up to the skies and I say, clouds, why have you cried? We're gonna go find out why. Come on, baby. Hey! What the heck is up, YouTube? So today, we are going to the field that we went to before. It is called a field. And there's, it rained this morning and last night it was raining cats and dogs, my friend. And we're gonna go check the damage. And this guy right here.
I'm here too.
He's here too, and he just wants to be heard.
You're gonna see Joe Moore.
America, do you hear him?
I'm the cameraman.
Awesome, let's go. In all seriousness, my home squad, we are going to this field and we're gonna go further than we ever did before. So
you can see
we're gonna transition
over there.
We're not gonna just go this full way. We're gonna transition and whenever I snap my finger.
Yeah, when he snaps his finger, you'll catch us on the flip side.
All right, you ready for
You're
this?
gonna catch us on the flip side.
All right, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Hello.
What's that behind you?
Oh wow, it's a tree.
Wow.
Looks like good old Johnny Lightning struck.
That is a big tree. Go stand beside that. Kind of stand on that. Here, I'll stand here. I need to be in the video more.
Definitely.
Oh my, I suddenly feel really small and terrifying.
I don't know if the camera can hear you.
I said I suddenly feel really small.
He says he suddenly feels very small and terrified. He actually feels that way all the time.
No, because I'm terrified because that could fall on me right now.
Dude, it could.
Come on, dang, come look over here.
Yo.
That is the actual, like, that's how big some of the trees I've seen are. This is the actual tree right here.
It's massive.
This is,
And
this
it's...
must be 300 years old.
Hey, what do you say we go see what's on the other side, eh? We are so excited to prepare for the launch of our epic journey out into the great beyond. Now, unlike last year's journey, we are going on a bigger journey, and I don't know why I'm trying to announce the new iPhone.
I fell down.
You've heard of them all. Flash, Quicksilver, Fast Boy, whatever that kid is from The Incredibles. But you haven't heard of Joseph the Quick.
His name's Dash.
Oh, his name's Dash. My name is Joseph the Quick, and I'm fast.
Your
I'm
name?
gonna run.
You look like Incrediboy.
Watch me run.
Hey, good job. I gotta navigate my way through this jungle. What?
I see a squirrel. Here in Alaska, you're gonna learn a lot of things. We're not in Alaska. Ha ha! I'm a hacker. And I brought you out here and I'm gonna steal all your computer information. But we're not on a computer, we're in the real world. Oh no, I failed. Guess what? You're actually in a computer game. You're actually asleep and I put a monitor on your head and you think that you're in the real world, but you're actually ain't. It makes no sense.
Help.
Because I'm not here.
So you got a bit of a ways to go, but it's not that far. But this ground, this is squishy. Okay guys, you can't really see, but there is a road that goes that way to our house. We went through the field, all through this beautiful jungle, let me tell you. And now we're gonna let the wind blow here. So we're gonna go home because, well, we could stay out here, but you know, we got things to do. So I'm gonna do a time lapse from literally from this area to when we get to our house.
Gosh, it's cold. Dag nabbit, screw that water. I hate you. America, save me. Subscribe. So we're at this road. We're gonna pretend to be hitchhikers. And
Tell us where we came from.
We came from afar, that way. We did a little time lapse.
Wow.
We did a little time lapse before this. We were gonna try to walk all the way home, but we realized that it was gonna take a long time. And that time lapse, even though it's super quick, it's gonna be a super long time lapse. So we decided to stop the time lapse.
Yeah, it would have been a long time. Our house is around that bend, I think around another bend. Our house is over there, we went through there, and we went, and we're going home. I'm gonna start another time lapse right now. Okay guys, that's our house. Came down this road and you've seen the time lapse. And it's been fun for real. We got a good exercise in our legs, you know, and he got pretty wet and muddy. And
I did. My shoes, they like, I got some oceans in my feet, bro.
Yeah, he got some oceans in his feet, but we're home. It was fun. This is the outro.
Bye.